everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you this makeup look. There is nothing as such in this look. It's just about the bold eyes and bold lips, like wine and burgundy sort of color. And it is a very simple look. I have used no eyeshadow in this look, just this bold eyeliner and bold kajal. That's it. So if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. So my skin is already moisturized and I am directly moving on to primer, and I am using the same Lotus primer. I am in love with this primer. So yes, this is what I'm using. I take a pea size amount of this primer. Yes. Next I'm gonna use this concealer from PAC and I'm in the shade Stark Nude. And now using this fluffy brush, I'm just gonna pat it like this. So you can see it has instantly erased all the darkness around my mouth. So yes. For foundation, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And whenever you are working with bold eyes and bold lips kind of look, you need an even tone, like bright under eyes and bright face. So that's why I'm gonna mix that lighter shade for my foundation to be a shade lighter. Now I'm going to use a lighter shade of concealer to sort of brighten up my under eyes, and this is what I'm using. This is a LA Girl Pro HD concealer and I'm in the shade Light Ivory, like it is 2 or 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, but because I have used a beige concealer underneath, so it is going to work really well, you can see. You can see this side of my face, my eyes are looking so brightened up. This is what I love. And I'm gonna use this Bharat and Doris loose powder. And now to set my face, I'm gonna use the same foundation brush, like the flat one. And dusting off the excess, I'm gonna press it into my skin like this. For my brows, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild retractable pencil. Alright, and now it's time for the eyes. So I am making this eye look very simple. I am not going to use any eyeshadow color for my crease or as a transition color, whatever. No eyeshadow color. I want to make it simple so that you can wear this eye look, like not the bold lips, but this eye look particularly to office parties, to some weddings or anything of that sort, like the parties or something. And you can also wear this look when you are going out on some weekend or something. So yes, this look is that versatile. All you need to do is take your favorite eyeliner, because we are going to make a bold wing eyeliner. So you can use a gel eyeliner, a sketch eyeliner, or a liquid eyeliner as well. I'm gonna use both. Like first I'm gonna use this liquid eyeliner and then I'm gonna top it with the gel eyeliner so that it becomes really bold. So this is what I'm gonna do. And now I'm gonna show you how I top it with the gel eyeliner, because when you look this up closely, you will see like little spaces left. Like you can see my skin is still peeping out. So this is what we are gonna cover. So I'm taking this gel eyeliner. You can use a kajal as well. So taking this on angular brush, you can use an eyeliner as well, like eyeliner brush as well. And now this. That's it. And there is one more trick, like to make this thing sharp. I'm gonna take this concealer. You can take it on brush as well. And I'm just gonna clean my wing. You can use a wet wipe as well. And taking this blending brush, I'm just gonna dab it. You can use your finger as well. And done. You can see how clean my wing is looking right now. Alright, so now my bold eyeliner is done and now it's time for the lower lash line. So I am going to put gel eyeliner in my lower lash line, but first I'm gonna go in with this kajal, and this one is from Nykaa Rock the Line. And I'm gonna fill in my waterline with this.
Really watery whenever I apply kajal. Is this also happened with you? Like, let me know in the comment section below. You can see my eyes.
I'm gonna put it first in my waterline. Like, be careful, do not smudge it. And I'm gonna apply the same gel eyeliner on my upper lash line. Yes, and now just to make it smudge proof, because what happens is your kajal comes into your fine lines and it looks really awkward. So whenever you apply this bold kajal, you need to take powder on the brush and just apply it under your eyes so that it becomes smudge proof. This is a trick of making your kajal long lasting.
So eyes are done and it looks like I'm gonna start doing Bharatanatyam as well. So yes.
And now for contour, I'm gonna use this dual stick from Wet n Wild. I am in love with this product. It's really good. And now I'm gonna take the round brush and blend this contour. Alright guys, so contour is done. I have applied my eyelashes off the camera and now you can see the difference. Like, contour really helps to, sculpt your face to make it look chiseled and sharp. And now it's time for blush. And for blush, what I'm gonna do is, so for my bold lips today, I'm gonna wear this lipstick from L'Oreal Paris in the shade 263 Pure Garnet. Yes. And it is a very pretty wine and burgundy sort of shade, which I totally love, and now I'm gonna use it as my blush as well. How? So I'm just gonna apply it like this way and also in upward direction so that my face looks like lifted up. And I'm gonna take the same brush by which I have contoured and I'm gonna blend this blush in upward direction.
Pretty, no?
And now for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Sephora palette. And now it's time for the lipstick. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. This look really sultry and glam at the same time. I really love it, like the way it turned out. And if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.